Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes shortcut key to delete pages in MS Word without changing alignment. Click View to select multiple pages. If I want to delete the page from this document, first select entire page content, then delete the content. This delete sometime changes the alignment of entire document. Click the particular page if you wish to delete. Press Ctrl G. /page. Press delete key. The particular page is deleted without changing alignment. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.